YouTube Video SEO, search engine optimization, is necessary for several reasons. Increased visibility. YouTube is the second largest search engine in the world after Google. Optimizing your videos for search can significantly increase their visibility, making it easier for users to find them. Higher rankings. Just like with traditional web search, YouTube uses algorithms to rank videos in search results. By optimizing your videos with relevant keywords, titles, descriptions, and tags, you can improve your chances of ranking higher in search results. More traffic. Higher rankings and increased visibility lead to more traffic to your videos. This can result in more views, likes, comments, and subscriptions, ultimately growing your channel and audience.
Long-term benefits. Properly optimized videos can continue to attract views and engagement over time, even long after they've been published. This can result in a steady stream of traffic to your channel and potentially increase your revenue through ads or other monetization methods. Competitive advantage. In a crowded platform like YouTube, where millions of videos are uploaded every day, SEO can give you a competitive edge. By understanding and implementing SEO best practices, you can stand out from the crowd and attract more viewers to your content. Overall, YouTube Video SEO is essential for maximizing the reach and impact of your videos, attracting more viewers, and ultimately growing your channel and audience over time.